The next problem statement is to implement write and read operations on the file using of putc. Putc is nothing but it is used to print the individual character, identifier name and the file pointer. This is a syntax for putc. Getc, we are going to write a getc followed by the file pointer. So in order to represent the file pointer, file is a keyword, file followed by star ptr is a file pointer. Here I am writing the file pointer name as names.txt. I am opening this file in the write mode and I am checking if the file is null, then it should stop. If it is not there, then I can directly go for enter the contents what you want to store on file. So here I am going to write a logic for writing the contents onto the file. So here, this is the logic for writing the contents on the file. So on which file we are going to write? On the pointer name what we have specified. So the pointer name we have specified here as names.txt, which means we are writing this individual characters onto the names.txt. Here we are going to input the individual characters, and if the character is end of the file, so end of the file will be, so if you want to represent the end of the file, then you need to press Ctrl plus D. Ctrl plus D. So Ctrl plus D gives the end of the file. Till there your contents will be read onto the file. So after reading the contents, I am closing the file pointer. Next, the contents will be written onto the file, but if I want to see the same contents onto the given output screen, so I am going to read the contents here, whatever the contents they have written on the file. The contents read from the file are, so ptr is equal to, I need to open this file in the read mode. In order to read the contents of the file, I need to open the file in the read mode. In order to write some contents on the file, I need to write the file on using write mode, while ch equal to getc of ptr. So getc of ptr is nothing but I am passing the name of the file here. From the file, getc is nothing but we are going to take the individual character. Getc means we are going to read the individual character from the file till if it is not equal to eof, the condition will be true, and every time individual characters will be printed on the screen. Using this printf function, individual characters will be printed on the screen. The same content whatever you have been printed on the screen will be seen in the names.txt file. Now let me execute this code and show you the output. Now first I am writing some content onto the file. I love my country. I love my country. So this is a message which I am writing onto the file. So what is the file name? Names.txt. Enter. So after enter, Ctrl D is to stop the taking of the input, because we have used while loop, right? It should encounter eof. eof, if it is encountered, then it will stop reading the contents. Next, the contents read from the file are I love my country. So this same content, it is also there on the names.txt. I love my country. So this is how you can write and you can read the contents from the file. So this is an example for reading and writing the contents to the file and reading from the file, and also implementation of putc and getc functions.